Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Photopea in 2025, whether you are editing photos, designing thumbnails, or creating social media posts. Photopea is the free browser-based Photoshop alternative that works like a charm. Let's jump in. First of all, head over to photopea.com. It opens right in your browser, no downloads needed. You will see an interface very similar to Photoshop, and here's why people love it. Just click on start using Photopea. Now let's create a new project. Click on file, then new. You can choose a preset size like YouTube thumbnail. Double click on it. Now you are in. You can drag and drop any image right onto the canvas or go to file, open to browse file, like that. First of all, uh, click on rectangular shape, then drag and drop. Select the color from here, like that. You can use from here. Then click OK. Now open a face reaction photo from your dashboard face computer, like that. Now select the magic tool, then click quick selection and click Ctrl J or drag the background layer onto duplicate and click Ctrl Shift A or Ctrl I or Ctrl Shift I, then click delete. Now your background is removed. Now click Ctrl Alt X or Ctrl R or click refine edge, then drag and drop here like that, or clear background, then click OK. Not good. Click the selection tool and drag onto your canvas. Take the transform controls and drag it here. Adjust the image. Pick a shape like circle and drag it to here. Click white and select the selection tool. Resize the shape and click enter. Now drag the shape to under layer 1, like that. Now add text from here. Write something like how to create a thumbnail for YouTube. Copy the text and select a rectangular shape and draw here like that. And select text again and paste here the text and choose the font style from here and press the rectangular and adjust the text. That. Now click all and align it. And that's it. You can change the text color, select all and select the white color like that. Here are some of the most useful tools for beginners, like move tool. Click V for selection move tool to move anything on the canvas. Then brush tool. Select a layer first like that. Then you can adjust the hair color like that. Then magic wand or lasso to select part of an image. From the left side bar, click lasso select and you can select your image like that. When you're done, go to file and scroll down, select export as, then choose a format like PNG for transparent image, JPG for web. For this tutorial, I'll choose jpg.jpg, then click save. Now click save again. And that's it. You have now got the basics of Photopea and you are ready to start designing like a pro, all for free. Thanks for watching.